Oh, okay. Okay. I might be here on the toilet flush because I had to use the bathroom. I'm on my iPad. I'm not going nowhere. And if you guys like my hair, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a little bit of blue. Oh. There's a little bit of blue. If you guys can't see, just look. There's a little bit of blue in my hair. Blue in my hair. I don't know if you guys can see the blue, but I might edit it and try to lighten the camera. The camera's supposed to be lightened all the way up. Never mind. Look at this cute Paw Patrol toy. I don't make no sound no more. But look at these cute shoes I got. Noise strings. I got how cute. Look how cute these shoes are. I got them from Nordstrom Rack. I don't know how to put these on though. Cause this is hard. I don't know how to put these on. I don't know if these are my size. I'm a 1 now. But I have a bunch. I don't know if I should do a slime video because I'm not sure because I have to do something, okay? Wait, I need to get some tape. I'm gonna get some tape, okay, and stick it on your wall. Okay, you might be like, what is that gonna do? Let's try, y'all. I don't like to turn my camera to the wall. If I can flip the camera around, you guys can see it. Can I? Okay. Can we see it? Okay, this is the wall. I'm gonna leave you guys down here. I'm gonna do it down so you guys can see it. I'm not gonna do it that high. I'm gonna do it like right. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. Don't mind all the stuff. Right there, I was trying to make a YouTube video. I forgot how to, because I have one with my dad, but I can't try to look it up because my name is Callie at the Callie Playhouse. Just the marker. What's the marker? What the ball do? What the ball do? Draw any design. Don't mind the hair. And don't mind what the wall looks like. Don't mind that. I just try to do something. And then you could peel it off. I'm just doing like a circle and stuff. Do something in and then you gotta take wait. And this is real easy. And you can take it off like this. Don't do the same design because it looks ugly. I didn't want it to brown. That's it. Push it like I was just trying to show you something and talk to you guys. Now, if you want me to do a Q&A, try to subscribe, okay? Please, give me, 1,000 likes if you want me to do a Q&A. Don't mind my fingers. I was just doing a project for my mom. So yeah.